Hello, this is Sound Park, a member of Team Ledback. Team Ledback consists of two members, Young-Shim, Sang-Gun Park, Swan Lim, and me. On behalf of our team, I'm going to give a presentation about our second team project, Titanic ML competition. Titanic machine learning from disaster is a kind of machine learning predictive analysis game with the data of 819 people's boarding information such as name and age, sex, act. We need to predict the survival of 418 people through the analyzing the data with machine learning. For data understanding, we analyze the train and test file. First, we analyze the test file. It has 891 passengers information such as name, sex, age, family relationship, pair, and whether or not they survived. Second, we imported and analyzed the test file. It has 418 passengers information. In the data preparation stage, we logged in Azure Machine Learning Studio and imported the train and test file by analyzing the given data and refining the data using the three experimental tools. We try to secure data to increase the prediction accuracy of machine learning. First, through the dataset module, only data that will be correlated with the survival prediction were selected. Among the 12 evaluation columns in train files, 8 columns were selected except for 4 columns. Second, like train case, 7 columns were selected and 4 columns that were not related predictive survival were excluded. The data was refined by categorizing the first passengers class, which was initially recognized as the number of into non-numeric class item using the edit metadata module. From the categorical classification, the passengers class were classified by selecting make categorical. As the third data processing process, data was refining with the clean missing data function. As a result of analysis, it was confirmed that there are many parts in the data set where H and P are omitted from the information. It was confirmed that the accuracy of predictive analysis of survival ratio increases when the missing data is averaged to the median value using the replace with main function and reflected. After completing the above the three data pre-processing process, the split data function was used to select an appropriate distribution ratio for data comparison. When a value of 0.8 was entered into the function overloads in the first output data set and evaluation was performed, it showed the highest accuracy. I tried to visualize the train data module through two class decision forest. A decision forest tree model of 8 structure was completed, and the correlation of each passenger's information on survivor could be known by analyzing this structure. We recognize the grouping and classification with the appropriate value were possible. We compared the predictive analytics with two class decision forest model using 3 machine learning models: artificial neural network, support vector machine, ACT. As a result of the comparison, it was confirmed that the predictive analysis using the two class decision forest had the highest accuracy. The pin sheet model building is shown in the picture. Evaluation results for predicting the survival of the final models are as shown in the figure above. After running some case and ML model, accuracy 0.82 was the highest score our team could get. As a result of applying the final trained predictive prediction model to the test data and converting it into CSV file as shown in the Excel table on the right, survival prediction results are predicted and prediction ratio were obtained for 418 people. Based on this survival prediction, it was combined with the passenger ID of the test material to complete the final material for upload to the site. We logged on to the site and uploaded our data and get a score of 0.76315. Our learning process was not that easy since we had not enough time to do. So I think we should have increased our score more by categorizing family relationship age acts related to survival. It was pity that I didn't do it. Through the class, we were able to learn a little bit about prediction analytics and Azure ML Studio. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.